Okay, this video is very important. I'm gonna introduce you a new way to research for backlinks. It's basically called the copycat method. Basically, you have your keywords on Google, and these are your top competitors, right? For me, I only choose to rank in a very weak niche in the city. So however, these are your competitors and they rank above you. So you want to look at where the backlinks they are getting from. That allows them to rank on the top, right? So you check out the websites. There's no sites. You want to check out the top sites. And then you put the site in Majestics. And see where you get the links from. Okay, this links has good metrics, has good trust flow, citation flow. It's a non-follow link, but still is niche relevant. However, you have to also check out the link itself, whether you can post you can post on the page, right? So in this case, you probably have to pay to get post. So you can keep a note on this site, because in future we may need to use it. In future we may able to pay to get links. So this site, I want you keep a note in separate. Okay. Then you go back. So this city is pretty weak, so you cannot find a good competitor to copy to look at their backlinks from. So Saint Marie is in Ontario. So you can look at the cities close to this city and see where they get links from. For example, London, Ontario. It's a bigger city close to it. You can check out the map or whatever to find out the city. It does not have to be super accurate, but just a city next to it. And then I want to look at where they get links from. Okay, so this is your competitor. They rank above in the top, right? So this site, you can properly check out. Okay, so it has trust flow, citation flow. This one is not bad. Okay, you can check in details. Can you post a link on this site? Right, it's niche relevant. Also, it's geographical relevant as well, likely, right? So this is a good one. And then this other site coming to this URL, but if this site is a relevant site, you can look at the backlinks to this domain, which has more backlinks to look at. See? But it's questionable whether you can get links from it, but there are lots of good links. You can do research on it, whether you can make a post your link to our website on this specific URL. It's very important that from the specific URL, because sometimes you get links from, say, blog something page 1 and it has a good metrics, but when you make a comment, it becomes blog comment page 2, and then you have 0 metrics. So you have to be careful about it's the URL of where you can post the link, not the URL this link is from. So in most cases they are the same, but there are cases that you get the link from page 1, you get a link from page 2, so you will not get this metrics for page 1's metrics. You will get page 2's metrics, and they can be really shit. So you have to do a deeper dive. Those all counted in the quality of links. Okay, so you have this many links to look at. This is only London, Ontario. So there are bigger cities like Toronto, Ontario, right? So these sites are on the top. Okay, I never look at those. So let's take a look. See, it has this link. It has good decent metrics. It's non-follow, but I'm not sure if this is niche relevant. It looks not that good actually. Not impressed. So these ones are waste of time. Don't get those like once trust flow equal to 0 in their URL metrics. It's a waste of time. Then you can look at those ones. Right? There are unlimited backlinks to look at. There's so many in different cities close to you, like bigger cities. There's so many sites, and you can look at where they get backlinks from. Right? These are pretty shit, of course. However, these are I would say minimum. This is the minimum, like 5 is really low. But if you cannot find one good link during the day, it's okay to like post a link like this. It's better than nothing, right? Also, it's niche relevant. It's not spammy. You never want to like post a spammy website. Okay. But however, you look at this, it's a website you can create a profile. Right? So maybe it's not. I see what they're doing. So you want to look at if you can get the same link from the website as well. But that's how you start. Okay. So you have so many websites to look at. Just so many. Right? But you have to still validate whether the links are good or not. Okay, so the site has pretty poor trust flow. You can check all of them. This one. Okay, so this one is interesting. It has plenty of links with good metrics. Some of them are business directory. Non-follow is fine for, have a few non-follow in the mix of all your links. It's fine. And it's niche relevant. So, but most of vast majority of links should be follow link, because non-follow link does not provide the trust flow at all. Right? You can look into each one of them. Can you create the same link? If you find multiple good links, you're good for a few days you can use, because you only need one link per day. And some of the links still like you have to pay to get listed. I'm pretty sure for this site, some of them are. Right? You can keep a note. Again, you can keep a note on like really good website. The website you have really good metrics, but you have to get paid to be listed. Then, I can do it in the future, but not now. Right? A website like this, they got listed, right? And then, you can submit a link. Look at that. But it means you have to pay. It's actually free. yeah, if it's free, you can post it. You know, you can let me know if it's something worth paying money. You can let me know and keep the link separately, keep it a note. But yeah, you can use this link, right? So you submit, you will be in the standard listing, right? And this is a good site. Yes, good trust flow, citation flow. I mean here. Not here. I think it's here, right? I think it's here. That's the thing I was looking at. So these are not bad. Anyways, also, it's Toronto, Ontario. You can keep expanding to cities, close, bigger cities, close to the location, or like Canada, things like that, or like even closer cities in US and New York. So you can keep looking. At the same time, you can also look at like the closer words, carpet cleaner, right? Do you remember the keywords? You can switch around keywords and see the top competitors in the cities close to the local. So you have so many choice, so many websites to look at and look at their backlinks and to validate if the links are not good or not. Okay, this video are super important. I hope you look at it again and again and enjoy it. You can learn a lot. Thank you.